Alright, it's Wednesday. The first YouTube video first video's up and running, so I'm sure if you're watching this, then you likely have seen the first one by now. But we are all out of Dr. Pete's, so we're gonna have to go to the East Marketplace up in campus and go get some more. Shows graphic designing over here, like your coach G. Hi, I'm here to pick up an order of 30 Dr. Pete's.
We're still trying to find out if you even have that many.
Okay.
I don't really know yet.
Alright, this is 24 right here. This should likely last till Friday at most. Back. Too lazy to put that in the fridge right now. They're fucking dude. Alright, we're about to pop out to the gym right now to go deadlift. I always pull in leggings because sometimes when I use shorts, my hand will get caught while I'm pulling. So this way, everything's just like nice and smooth, and I don't have any like technical deficiencies. Alright, so we're here at the gym. We're about to hit some deadlifts right now. Alright, we just finished up our top set, 675, and we did our back off. We started with 585 for 6. It was supposed to be like an RP 7-8. It was way too heavy, so we dropped it from 585 to 545 for the last set, and we finished up. So I'm gonna go upstairs, finish up with some cable rows or something, and then call it a wrap. I probably won't film that though, so we'll see you guys back at the apartment. Alright, well, we're back from the gym. 2 more of these. I'm about to make a quesadilla, and then I'm gonna have some rice. That kind of calls it for the day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Just woke up. It just is 1:50 in the afternoon. We're gonna hit chest later. Joe's hitting arms. Alright, I just absolutely destroyed these. And I want to just get one more to just sip on while I just chill out for a bit. So that's a quick 120 grams of protein just for breakfast right there. Ow, fuck. Joe's making chicken.
And some noodles.
And some noodles. Tom's doing homework. We're about to have 2 more Dr. Pete's. 200 grams of protein. Joe, you're like actually. How's it going? Alright, we're at East Coast. We're about to hit some bends. Tom's got some deadlifts, and I think Joe's hitting arms or something. Alright, we just finished the 4x5 with 320 on bench, and my camera's about to die, so we're gonna see you guys back at the apartment right now. Alright, we're back at the apartment. Like, all of the footage that you saw before this right here, just edited all of that, just beasted it out in like 3 hours. So tomorrow, I have a 3x5 on squats that I'll be filming. I'll bring you that, and then right then we'll tie it up. Alright, we just woke up. It's Friday, 3:06 in the afternoon. Since I woke up a bit later today, I have to get kind of like a kickstart on my eating, so. A few more of these. Alright, today we have squats. I'm thinking a 3x5. We're probably gonna be looking within the range of 545 to 565. To the gym, we have to go to East and pick some more Dr. Pizza. I'm gonna go buy like 30. Like, no. Oh my god. So. Hey. I've taken 225. Feels really good. I just put on sleeve. Tom's about to go for a bench PR right now. He's gonna put 370 on the bar. Come on, let's go. Ah! Come on. Yo. Up. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Say you want smoke, but it's the tip to the honey down in it. Partner so sweet, throw a honey bun in it. I'm keeping in the street, I ain't doing no smoke. Walk down with AR, strap nigga time on pillow. My Glock got did off. I can just set it the whole time. I ain't but I was like, boss out. East side, keep 5 down 5. That's clean, call the sign, red. Taking your pack. Snitches, pussy cut off his tail, blood in his head. Alright, so I said I have a 3x5 today and I was thinking about going like 565 for all 3 sets, but honestly my sleep last night wasn't the greatest, so, and I just took 495 and it doesn't feel the best, so I'm probably going to stick with like 545, at least for my first set, and then from there we'll see what's happening. We're gonna drop it to 535 for the remaining sets, and if that's too heavy, we'll drop it again. But just sucks because I haven't worked with like less than 5.5 plates or working sets and squats in like a while. But I mean, it is what it is. You're always gonna have those days where the conditions aren't optimal, you know, like you're sleeping, eating, stress isn't the best it can be, and you just have to be able to adapt. So that's what we're doing here. Alright, almost died again. We're dropping it to 495 for the last set. It was absolutely a terrible squat session, absolutely terrible. So we're gonna go home, rest and recover, and get ready for next Monday's squat session. Just finished the last set of 495 for 5. Ultimately a terrible workout, I'm not gonna lie to you. But we're gonna go to East right now and get some more Dr. Pete's.
Actually, I've been there about 2 times. Oh my god.
Appreciate it, bro. Alright, let's go home.
The meatball with the 30 Dr. Pete's.
Jesus fucking god damn. Oh. Alright, we're back from East Marketplace. We just eat the rest of the night and then just go to sleep, knock out. Tomorrow we got some bench, some uneventful bench. We're just gonna cut the vlog there and we'll see you guys Monday, alright? Before I go,